Hello friends, welcome to Shivani tutorials. Today I will show you a very beautiful and easy mehndi design for hands. Start your mehndi design from the wrist area by making slanting lines. Continue this design by making petals and leaves design. As you can see, now we are making design on the palm. You can continue the design from the wrist itself. Make any curvy shape or decorate it further with beautiful dots. Fill the middle and index finger with some curvy designing. Also, apply some loose mehndi on the tip of the thumb and on all the fingers. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel.